So third line, center of the lock. Go further. For the reverse parking, go further. Check this line. Is it in the center of the lock? Good. Then left signal on. Turn the steering all to the left. Gear is reverse for reverse parking. Okay, bring the car back. When you're bringing the car, check your left mirror. Release the brakes. Your tire is going in. Check in the mirror. Then check to the right side mirror. Watch the front view of the car straight. 2 turn, fix the steering. 1, 2. Now bring the car back. So this is the first step, reverse parking on the test day. Okay. Then let's start the test. Move to drive. Turn left. Okay. Then turn right. Okay. So this is a stop sign. So examiner tell you turn right on this intersection or turn right. So stop properly. Check 1, 2. Both sides are clear. Turn right. If the car is coming, we will stop. When the car is passed, then crawl further. Go. Okay. Here on this curve, he asks you 3-point turn. So go as much as way. Right signal on. Almost end of the curve. Stop properly. Distance is almost 30 centimeter away from the curve. Okay. Okay. Then go further a little bit. Okay. Then make a 3-point turn. Left signal on. Change the gear to drive. Go. Go. Okay. Second step. Change the gear to reverse. Right signal on. Turn the steering this side, all to the right until it is locked. Now bring the car back. When your side mirror behind this crack, then stop. Change the gear to drive. Signal. Turn the steering all to the left side. Okay, fix the car, fix the steering. So then examiner asks you parallel parking in between pylons. So what is the meaning of parking? Parking means right signal on. Okay. So when you go for parallel parking, right signal on, car should be straight. Okay, steering should be straight. Distance how much from the pylon? Almost 3 feet. So first step is you have to align the bumpers. How we align the bumpers? We have 3 windows in the car. So last window is small window. You have to see the pylons in that small window. Okay. Then one turn to the right side. Bring the car back. Okay. Somewhere in the front window, in the center, you see the pylons. Stop for a second. Check the distance from the curve. If you are okay, then turn all the steering to the left side. So when you turn the steering, again your signal is cancelled. So you start the signal right again. Bring the car in between 2 pylons. Fix the steering, fix the car. Okay. And then park and apply the parking brakes. No, first we try with this one. then we try to the next one. Two different type of park. Why? Because when you come on that day for the test, maybe the examiner asks you in this pylon or maybe in the next one, so you should be ready for the both. Okay, go. Right signal on. First is approach the pylon. Okay, 3 feet away. Okay, now fix the car. Okay, watch the pylon in the small window. Did you see the pylon?
Mm-hmm.
Right signal on. One turn to the right side. Turn the whole steering. One to the right side. Okay. Choose the gear. Bring the car back. When you're coming back, center of this window, you can see the pylon. In the same time, you see the curve. Good.
Yeah.
Then turn the steering all to the left until it is locked. When you turn the steering, your signal is cancelled. Put it back. Bring the car back. Okay. Watch the car. When your car is perfect position, then you stop. Your car should be straight. Bring more. Okay. Now fix the steering. 2 turns in opposite side. Yes. 1, 2. Park and park. Okay. Let's go. Move to drive. Signal. Turn all to the left. Check physically blind spot and then go. Okay, let's practice with the next one. Again, right signal on. Go 3 feet away, almost from the pylon. Fix the steering. Fix the steering now. Okay. Fix the steering again. Right signal on. So 3 feet, okay? Right signal on.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Check in the mirror.
Yeah.
Did you see the pylon?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Then reverse. How many turn? 1 turn.
One.
Good. Bring the car back. Again, when you see the pylon in the center of this window, means passenger side window. Okay. Then stop for a second. Check the distance from the curve. Good. Then turn the steering all to the left. So when you turn the steering, signal is cancelled. So put it back, right side. Bring the car back again. Watch the car when you're going back. When your car is straight. Okay. Then stop for a second, fix the steering. And then final step is park the car and apply the parking brakes. Done? Let's go. So how we are going? Signal, check physically, turn the steering all to the way. Okay. So in the test, not too slow, okay? Not too fast. Okay. Let's go to the test route. So again, 2 options, either left or right. So if the first car is turning right side, examiner maybe asks you turn left side, okay? So the speed is again 15 to 20, it depends upon the road or road conditions. Okay. Turn left on this intersection or turn left. So nobody asks you turn left on stop sign, okay? Because that you have to check. Do you stop properly or not? When you stop, what do you check? Only pedestrians, both sides. No, crawl further, then check your incoming outgoing traffics. No, turn left to left lane. When you finish the turn, start using gas. Right signal on. Check physically and change the lane to the right side. Then this traffic light, turn right.
Which one? Here?
Yes. So on this road speed again 50 km/h, 50. maintain 50. Increase the speed, maintain 50. This road is designed for 50 kilometer. Okay. Okay. So when you reach at this corner somewhere, examiner asks you uphill or downhill parking. Okay. So whenever you save, please perform downhill parking. So first step is approach. Signal on, release the gas, go closer to the edge of the road, not on the curb, edge of the road. Then you stop, downhill. Turn the steering to the
Left.
curb side.
Okay.
One turn is okay. Then park the car, apply the parking brakes. Right signal on. Now proceed. Release the parking brake, move to drive, signal left, check physically back. Now move the car, maintain the speed 50 km/h. So as you turn, okay, again remember, these roads are wide. They're designed for 50 km. So increase the speed, maintain 50. And when your car is straight, then the examiner asks you, next intersection, turn left. So there is a catch, that is a stop sign, which is behind the trees. So slow down, apply the brakes slowly, and you have to stop before the stop sign. Okay, when you stop, check left, check right, crawl further. We're turning left. So signal on, go as much as like a left turn. Okay, then finish the turns in your lane. Finish. Use the gas, maintain 50. Right signal on, check physically back. When it is clear, change the lane. If somebody is coming, do not change the lane. Okay, change the lane whenever you save. Speed is 50 km/h. 4 tires in, cancel the signal. So when you reach here, next traffic light, examiner asks you turn right. This is Kennedy. Again, speed is 50 km. So when you stop, you have to stop before the car. Distance is 1 car or like a pickup truck. Or you can see the tires and the road clear. So this is a minimum distance, okay? So red light, go further. Stop before the white line. Okay, when you stop, what do you check? Pedestrians. No pedestrians. Crawl further while looking at the traffic. Turn. So this is a second catch here. If schools are open, you see the flashing light here, 40. Today schools is not open, so 50 km, 50. Maintain speed. So there is a different entrance for the test, I already explained. So maybe they take from the Steels, maybe they take from this plaza. So let's go from the Steels. So turn right on Steels. When you approach an intersection, release the gas, cover the brakes. Distance again, 1 car or more than 1 car. Okay. So red light, when that car is left, then you stop before the white line. Okay, go further, stop before the white line. Okay, any pedestrians both sides? No. Crawl further, clear your view for the incoming car. No, then turn. The speed is 70 km. on steels. Maintain the speed. So next is this traffic light. When you pass this traffic light, examiner asks you, okay, about the next traffic light. We are turning right on that traffic light. So when you pass this traffic light, signal on, check physically, merge. Okay, this is the turn. So release the gas, cover the brakes, and this is a yield sign. Yield means there is no stop. Okay, we don't need to stop if nobody is there. So when you approach the intersection, is there any pedestrians? No. So then cross this one. Is there any incoming? No. Then go. The yield means we do not stop if nobody is there. Then this is the traffic light. So increase the speed. Okay. And when you just cross this traffic light, release the gas pedal, cover the brakes. Turn right. This is the entrance of the test center. So when you coming back, he don't ask you for the reverse parking. He just asks you park on left or right. It means you can park front parking. So again, you approaching a sign, stop sign. Release the gas, cover the brakes. Stop slowly, do not hard brake, okay? Clear, 3-second rule. Then go. Next stop sign, we turning right. So same thing, we stop before the stop sign. 3-second rule. Check left clear, check right clear, no pedestrians, turn. Then enter into this parking. Here he asks you left or right. So you can park to the right side. Right signal on. Align your side mirror to the yellow line. Any yellow line. Okay. Signal on, right side. Turn all the steering to the right side. Until it is locked. Move the car. So look at the front when your car is straight. Go forward. Go more. Then 2 turn, fix the steering. Okay, then park and apply the parking brake. Okay, so this is a one type. Let's go to the other test side. Go, move to drive, cross this one, turn right. So when you are reverse parked car, then the examiner asks you turn right. So you start moving from the test center. Okay, here turn right. Right signal on. When you're turning, you have to wait for this car on the left. Okay, go. Turn all to the right. So same thing, you are doing 3-point turn parallel. Let's go to the test route. Other side. Turn left. Okay. Check. Clear, no pedestrians. Go. 3-second rule. Okay. Same. No too much high speed, no low. 15 to 20 depends upon the traffic, depends upon the road. Okay. So this time we're turning to the right side, route number 2. Okay. So right side, signal on. We stop before the stop sign or yellow line. Okay. When you stop, what do you check? Only pedestrians. Clear, both sides. Go further. Now check for your cars. Clear. Then go. When you hit the road, increase the speed. Speed is 50 km/h. Increase the speed. Increase the speed. Okay. Left signal on. Change the lane. Change the lane. Left. Okay. Slow down. Here we turn on to the left.
Here?
Yes. Turn left. Okay. Again on this road, speed is 50 km. Maintain 50. Maintain 50. This road is designed according to that one. It's a wide road. It look like sharp turns, but you can drive up to 50. So practice for the 50. Go with the curve. Do not. Okay. Somewhere here, again examiner asks you, perform uphill or downhill. So this time perform uphill. Right signal on. Go closer to the edge of the road. Apply the brakes when you are slowed on. Uphill. Turn the steering
All the way here. Go here.
away from the curb, means left side. When you turn, your signal is cancelled. Put it back. Park and park. Okay. Proceed.
So uphill is left,
Yes.
downhill is right.
Downhill means to the curb side,
But
right?
still your signal will be
Always
the
right.
way.
Why? Because the parking means we always park the car near the curb. Where is the curb
Uphill.
side? Right side. Okay. Release the brakes. Move to drive. Choose the signal left. Check physically back. And move. When you move, try to maintain 50 km again. Hit the gas. Maintain 50. Increase the speed. And try to drive near the curb side. Means right side. Why? Because when you reach on this intersection near the Costco, this lane is splits into two lanes, and our driving lane is the always right side. So you have to stay to the right side. So stay near the curb. Okay, now it splits here too, so we stay to the right side. Maintain 50. Maintain 50 speed. Increase the speed. Okay. When you see the next traffic light, examiner asks you, we turning left on this traffic light. So signal left on, check physically back, merge. Then again merge in your left turn. Okay. Red light, you have to stop before the white line. Okay. Green, go. We're turning left to left. Left to left lane. When you finish the turn, start using the gas. Maintain right signal on. Check physically back. And change the lane. Speed is again 50 km, 50. Okay. So again, if you are coming in the school days when the schools are open, okay, so there is a catch. I will show you that there is a light on the top.
Yeah.
Okay, it's a flashing light. So if it is flashing, you maintain 40. If schools are not open, no schools, so you maintain 50. Maintain 50, go. Next traffic light is a Kennedy. We turn right on Kennedy. So, signal on, stop before the car, one car or more than one car distance. Okay, now your turn. Stop before the white line. Check the pedestrians. Clear? Then crawl further, check the incoming cars and finish the turn. Again on Kennedy there is a flashing light. If no school, then we drive on 50 km per hour. So this time we enter from the plaza. This is the second option. Examiner will take you to the test route. So right signal on. When you see this 40 km speed wooden pole, after that one there is the entrance. So turn inside the plaza. So again, road condition is not good. Drive according to 10-15 km according to the road condition. So next turn left or next intersection turn left. Nobody asks you stop sign. You turn left on the stop sign. Only intersections or turns. Clear, clear. Go. 3-second rule. then turn right. Right signal on. Clear, clear, no pedestrians. Turn. So again there is a speed bumps. So how you approach the speed bumps? Go further, apply the brakes before the bump, then release the brakes, wait for the rear tires. Okay, then again crawl. Further. Okay, go, wait for the rear tire. Okay, now go. So again there is an intersection, three-way stop. So three-way stop means you have to check which car stop first. For example, if you are stopping first, you have to stop before the line, check no pedestrians in your way, then proceed. So there is a catch because this is a mall, lots of people are coming from the right side or left side. So if somebody there, pedestrian is moving, you have to stop until he finishes full walk from one side to another side. So stop before line, again check left, right, no pedestrians in your way, then turn. Turn left. Again stop sign, we stop before the line, check, nobody there, go further. Here, turn right on the test center. So again, right signal on. When you reach here, if you want, apply the brake, release the brake, and try to turn on your side. Otherwise, it's a wide turn. Okay, go straight. Okay, turn left. Again, turn right. So whenever you're making turn, try to go closer to the curb side. Don't make a wide turn. Okay, stay to the curb side, so that we don't come in the front of the incoming. Go further.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, then turn right. Here somewhere he asks you left or right. Okay, so park to the right side. So align the mirror to the yellow line. Right signal on. Turn the steering all to the right. Fix the steering. Go further. If something is wrong with the parking, look, reverse the car, bring the car back all the way, bring the car all the way, bring it, okay, bring it, watch your lines, bring it, no, drive, fix the lines, turn to the left side. Okay, yes, you can fix the car anytime. Okay, no